morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Monday morning and I'm ready for school. I just need to spray my perfume. The time is currently past 8 and I'm supposed to be out. The weather is currently 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Let me quickly show you my outfit of the day. What's the time? Yay!
Presidente que ganó, no. Es como...
Single day, I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside.
Just keep moving. You know what's weird? Why are we even running from them? They're pretty slow. I know. Yeah, look. Oh, great denizens of the multiverse, for listening to Midnight Gospel. And to my one subscriber, Hernock Jensen, I live for you.
And Noah and his sons. And after the 7, Noah and his sons, Shem, and his wife and his son's wife, earth and all the birds, and accounting for the lifeboat in the clouds. And it will be the sign of the covenant.
Good morning. Another school day today. And I'm dressed for school. Good morning. And I'm ready for school. Today's Tuesday. I woke up feeling kind of exhausted. No, not exhausted. I was overwhelmed. I was overthinking when I woke up. But now I'm good. I started reading the book of Daniels and yeah, when I felt overwhelmed, I just went to the next chapter I was supposed to read for the day, and I won't say I automatically felt better, but I did. Like, not automatically, I just gradually, it just marinated. Why did I use the word? Yeah, and I just felt good and I feel good right now. And you guys, I want to tell you something. God is such a show off. So I was listening to this song that my friend asked me to listen to. It's called Wonderful Wonder by Nathaniel Bassey, and there's a part of this song that says that he made the heavens and the earth with just word of the mouth, with just the word of his mouth. Yeah, and I went back to read the book of Genesis. Why am I so biblically today? So I just played it out. If you watch the other clip, you see that I was listening. So, and you know how God created the earth? He just said, he just said, let there be light. Like, I don't know how to explain, but you know what kind of flex that is? Like, let there be light. He just went there to just, like, he didn't even, I'm sorry, but I love it so much. It's such a big fat flex. What? He just said, let there be light. And I went ahead to just listen to the other part, and now God is a show off. I love it. Why are you not showing off, please? Why? I'm not saying you should be proud, but yeah, I feel like every single day you wake up, you have a big flex in your life. Do you understand? Like, all God has to say is let there be light, and there was like he did not stress it. That was all he said. Do you understand? Do you know what kind of I cannot explain the kind of flex it is, but I feel so good, and God is so good, honestly. Like, thinking about it and how much I worry about things, and Like, I'm a child of God. I'm a child of God. I'm not even ashamed to say that anywhere. And whenever I think back and I'm worrying, I feel like this is I'm making a video because I want to always remind myself that all God had to say was let there be light. Like, that was all he said. No stress, nothing. He just said let there be light. Finish, bro. Like, that's it. Like, it. You guys, I have to go to school. All right, bye. I'm currently doing my French assignment. I just realized how much of our history we do not know about. Like, for our French class, we mostly do things about Nice, and yeah, my teacher told us to go back and write about our own city. I'm not from Lagos originally, but I would say I'm from Lagos because I've lived in Lagos all my life. There isn't much for us to know. You have to go extra to know, like, things about Lagos we were not taught in school. See, I'm learning French now, and it is compulsory to know about Nice, for example. You have to know. You just have to know about the city, when this monument, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But I'm remembering my childhood and how much they didn't teach us about where we are from. They were teaching us things about our colonial masters. Like, I know so much about England and I'm not blaming myself, honestly, because I mean, I went to my secondary school was like a British curriculum school, and my primary school, all they taught us was about white people, and you know, it was fascinating in quotes. But now I'm just realizing that we do not actually know so much about where we are from, and I feel bad, you know. I've been able to know some things because I read African literature, but I think we need to do more. I feel like schools in Africa, because I'm not talking about Nigeria here, like, they need to do better about, like, giving proper orientation. When they taught me Yoruba, I don't think they taught me so much about, like, states, like, culture. I mean, they did, but it wasn't deep. I mean, I'm learning French and I've only been in for like how many months, and these people are going, they want you to be integrated, and it's so good to see, like, but for us it's not the same. The fire alarm just went off. It's so annoying because I'm just someone is smoking in their room. This happens almost every night, and I find it so annoying. So annoying. I won't be going out. I hope it's not boiling. I hope I'm safe. Put myself with the blood of Jesus. Mais so annoying.
Je suis sûre que j'ai dit ça un peu au hasard. Et lui, après, il a été en Colombie, mais un autre pote avec, et qu'on a été.
I do know what I want.
Hey.
Last night.
Let me go see if the studio's open.
Alright.
What is wrong with these people? Are they getting together or not? You're stressing me, Bunny and Robin, okay?
The Santa thing. Next round.
Using my natural hair out. That's it. That's the problem. My hair is almost reaching my brows. Bonjour. Taking a video of you to remind you that you did not do your assignment, Federico. Next time, do the homework at home. There are days where I don't feel like going to school, and today is that day. Every day of the week, I have like 2 days when I don't feel like. Today's Friday. I don't feel like going to school one bit. You can see my face. I feel like I didn't sleep well. I don't look rested. I have a pimple on my forehead. It's stressing me out. And so this is my outfit. Let me show you guys. you guys, I'm not making this shit up. Lynn and I were just walking, and there was this guy
in front of us.
and he legit just farted like
Continuously.
Let's unbox my new chopsticks.
Throw it away.
It's cheap, €1.80.
Because there's nothing inside. Right? I don't know.
It's so hard, like
It burned.
yeah.
It's strong.
Yeah. Good morning. I have a pimple on my forehead. I'm not pleased, but yeah, good morning guys. Today's Saturday and I am on my way to see Lynn and we're shooting together today, so I'm going to our apartment. Yesterday I was able to take my filming equipment, like I took my lights, my tripod. She came here to help me take them because they're quite heavy, so it's just easy for me. We're filming like a sit down video, doing our makeup and just chatting, but I didn't take my makeup there yesterday. I wish I did because that bag is heavy today. First of all, I need to grab a bubble tea for her. I was going to surprise her with it. Then yesterday she asked me, oh, can you grab a bubble tea for me when you're coming? Little witch, how do you know that?
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown instead. I've always wondered what it takes to feel this whole time. No one else is gonna be feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with